Hello and welcome. In this video we'll try to connect IKEA GU10 warm white bulb to MiHome. I already managed to connect IKEA Spectrum White, which is a bit more expensive bulb than this one since it allows for temperature change. It is available in all IKEA shops, and in the Czech Republic it retails for 199 Czech crowns, which is approximately $80 US. Luckily, I have 3 gateways, 2 second generation and 1 third generation, so it should connect to one, right? Well, let's see. And as you can see, it's a definite no-go. Let's hope Mija fixes this in the next version of MiHome app or gateway firmware. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.